Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I will be making shelves for my son's bedroom using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Starting with my first shelf from Dollar Tree, I'm using one of these pieces of wood and 4 of these wood coasters. This shelf is going to be for my son's cars. He has like a little collection going on. So in each little shelf, one of the cars fits. So I'm only adding 4 of these little shelves to this piece of wood. So 4 cars are going to fit on this one. Now I am going to make 2 of them. So once he starts getting more cars. But anyways, I am using a combination of wood glue and hot glue for this. To space these out, I'm using this piece of wood. So the way I'm going to hang this is by using a sawtooth hook on the back. You can paint this whatever color you want. My son's room's furniture, it is gray, so I'm going to use the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. And that is it for this shelf. Look how beautiful it turned out. For my next shelf, I'm using 2 of these 18-inch pieces of wood and 2 of the other wood hanging decor signs. I'm using 2 of these. So I'm going to start by cutting this a little bit, just because I want to cut off where the little holes are at, but you can always just leave it this long. I just chose to cut mine. I'm going to cut both of these and then cut only one of the 18 pieces or this other piece of wood. Now using the other piece of wood, I'm going to use the leftover little piece to just measure it and then cut it. Once again, I'm going to use a combination of wood glue and hot glue. Now I'm going to start gluing the pieces on the side first and then the other piece after. So now I'm going to glue the other long piece on this other side, and this is how it looks. I decided to make this into a floating shelf, so using the rest of the piece of wood, I'm going to drill 2 holes, one on each side, and then I'm going to grab some more wood pieces to add them here. If you're wondering why I made them holes, that is so I can add some screws to make this more sturdy. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to set this to the side. I was going to paint this, but since this is going to go inside, you're not gonna be able to see it, so I just chose not to paint it. And I am painting the other piece using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. Now this is how I'm gonna hang my shelf. I did only use 1 screw because I'm not adding anything heavy. My next project is going to be very easy and simple. From Dollar Tree, I'm using 2 of these pieces of wood, and I'm going to glue them like in an L shape using a combination of wood glue and hot glue. To make this more sturdy, I am going to add some staples to the side. Now I'm going to paint this using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Elephant. And that is it. Now we'll be using the sawtooth hook to hang this. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.